Hello guys, we're on Piggy and
Okay, I'm
yesterday
joining.
and a couple of days earlier we were making a Piggy map and we want to show you guys. Um,
You had
Yes.
like the video.
Like the video and subscribe.
And we even don't have Roblox.
Yes, I know. So we're waiting for my little brother to come.
There's a game.
We both made this. Hey, shut up. I do the talking. Okay.
There's also this.
We worked very hard. Let's see.
Look at this. You can also fly.
I can't.
Okay,
This is our building.
Let's start the game.
Okay.
But first we need to finish our piggy map.
Well, no, I thought we did yesterday.
Oh, fine.
So wait, I have to get the. Okay.
Okay. Let's do it.
So let's work. Okay. Let's play and let's do bot loading. Okay, let's start.
Let's get the blue key. I'm getting the blue key.
You got it? Okay. Open both doors. Let's see. So, can you help me? Go get the green key, the orange key.
Where's the orange key?
You don't know?
Okay.
It's on the table. You see, it's on the table. It's right here. Pick it up. Piggy's coming.
Run.
Okay. Go get it. Okay. Make it run away. Okay, I got it. Yeah. Go. Don't come here.
Piggy.
Go back upstairs. Go back upstairs.
The piggy's upstairs already. It's too late. The piggy's upstairs. Let me.
Yeah, I can't. There. Hey.
Hey.
I'm so bad.
It's
camping.
Yeah.
Wait, or is it stuck?
It's
Wait, make it unstuck. Wait, no, it's flash mobbing. Run! Run!
Run.
Oh. Woo! Woo! Oh my god, the piggy almost got me. It's stuck. Whenever we do this, it always gets stuck. And I'm gonna jump over piggy, or not.
Stop the game. It's stuck.
You can stop the game. Okay.
Let me die.
Okay, you can just stop the game. Okay, now we're dead.
Why, Piggy? We need to finish our game, and we need to do something. We need to do something in our game.
Yes, I am on a computer, and I'm not good on computers, so.
I'm good on computers.
Yeah, I need a mouse, but I don't have one, so.
Okay.
It sucks to be me.
It sucks to be you.
Yeah.
You're
Okay,
good.
okay, let's start again. But I want to be player.
You want to be player?
Who's
I'm Piggy.
Don't kill me, please. I want to show everyone how to beat this.
So I'll just stay here.
Look in the corner. Looking like you do this. In this map, you need lots of people to play.
Now
but
I'll not let you die, okay?
Okay, but
I'll not let you down, okay, Lock?
So
I'm Dad Piggy.
You're Daddy Piggy.
Yeah.
So in this one, you have to have a lot of people to distract the piggy. So, but we don't have lots of people.
I'm doing nothing.
No, just stand outside.
I'm standing outside.
Don't go inside. I see you. I'm right next to you, so I can see you. What you're doing. Okay, now let's get the hammer. What are you doing? I'm in the basement, so don't kill me. If you do, I'm gonna not let you. I'm gonna kick you off. I'm gonna kick you off.
No, I'm not gonna kick you. Don't.
No, just jump downstairs. So you go upstairs. You open this, and you're in a new room. See?
Look,
And
I told
and
you I'm not doing anything.
I have to check because I put lots of
Traps.
no, not traps. I mean, like I put these I put the wrench somewhere, and it's like in like on one of these. Probably I forgot it somewhere. I forgot where it is though.
Can piggies get in here? In the laser?
The laser, yes, they could, or not.
Don't I get killed?
Yeah. Don't. I'm downstairs.
Whoa.
So okay, I'm not gonna talk to you. I'm gonna run away. Can you help me find the wrench? Because I can't find the wrench.
I'm finding the wrench for you.
Go just if you find a trash can. If you try to find a trash can, just tell me.
I found a trash can.
No. I mean like it's a trash can and it's glowing.
It
Probably it's in here.
It is going.
I mean like something's.
In the white keys.
Ah, oh my God! Where's the wrench?
The wrench. I'm gonna look for it. I'm looking for it.
Or did I forget to put the wrench? Don't. I'm going. Oh, you're upstairs.
Don't. I'm not.
Oh, probably it's in the red room. Okay. I think we did something wrong.
Look, you should excuse me.
So we're gonna fix the piggy map.
Yeah, we're gonna be friends.
We're gonna be fixing the piggy map soon. So see you next time.